Hi, welcome back to the Cayson Experience. Today we are at the Smoky Mountains Park.
The Smoky Mountains National Park, y'all. Here we go.
And it's supposed to have otters.
Might have some otters, wildlife.
It's supposed to have otters. Because that sign said otters. Showed a picture of otters. This is a giant drop off into a little stream.
Look at the stream. All right, Bubba. Which way are we going to go? That is absolutely beautiful, y'all. Which way do we want to go? Look at that.
First, let's go that way.
To the right?
There's a lot of people don't go now that way. That is a good spot for fishing. Is that a whirlpool?
I mean, it might be. I don't think it's a whirlpool. I don't really see it. Come on, let's keep going. It's just the top of the rock. Come on, boy. We got to get you walking. You can jog and run. That'll get your body temperature up.
Hi, Durango.
Hi, Durango. I hope we're in a good parking spot. We don't get towed or a ticket because I'm going to be mad. I'll be so mad. Rawr, rawr. What are you doing, punk? What are you doing? You look so silly. You better slow it down, punk. Cayson. Wait up, Bubba. Wait up for me, best friend. Well, you know how cold that water is this morning, son? You think you're cold now? Holy moly.
Hi, what are y'all doing?
Hey, bud.
What are y'all doing?
Looking for crawfish.
Oh!
We're looking for crawfish. You did? Oh. Nice. Is the water warm? It's freezing?
You should do it a different time. To catch crawfish, you need PVC pipes, honey woods, and put net on one side. Then put it where the crawfish can get in the area.
And then it swims in the pipe and into the net, right? That's a crawfish trap.
And let it sit there for 2 days. Then bring it up.
All right, you ready, Bubba?
That's what I want to do one day.
All right, come on.
Have a pet crawfish.
We just started, honestly. Just started.
Up across the bridge, right to your right, there's a bear.
Oh, really?
And he was just walking away.
How far is the bridge?
Not very. You can probably.
No way. Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
show him.
Look.
Look, baby. That's what we said.
How much further does this way go? Is this
Not
about
very.
the
It
end?
goes back into town.
Okay, so we got to go left then.
We saw 2 bears.
No, where did you see bears?
I saw a baby one and
Where?
an adult one. You know
Right,
that
right when you're
skinny-
coming into the town of Gatlinburg, where that grocery store and whatnot was,
Okay.
there was a bear walking across the parking lot yesterday. It was a pretty big bear.
City?
I might have been.
We need to find
I didn't even pay attention. I just saw the bear and I was like, oh, wow,
Oh,
okay.
that's cool. I would feel very safe in my car.
Yeah.
That skate-like thing.
Oh, where you can ice skate inside? Is that what you're talking about or something different?
It's like this.
Oh, okay. Yes.
You ready to go see that bridge?
There it is. It's pretty. It goes across the water and like
And
into
then
the
you,
woods
if you
a
go
little
left.
Okay.
The bear was like, but not like, you know.
bit. He was across the water. Like,
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, thank y'all.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Y'all be safe. This way, Cayson, this way. She said that they said the trail's about to end right there. The trail goes this way, and there's a bridge that goes over the creek.
Bridge that goes over the creek over here.
You better slow down. Cayson, better not get too far ahead for that bear comes out. Are you throwing rocks into the creek, river, stream? Come on, punk. Come on, Cayson. Cayson, today, or I'm gonna leave you. You better stay with me before a bear comes out. I'm the only one with bear spray and 100 bullets, so I'm pretty sure I'm the safest one to be around right now.
You can spray on me.
Well, I would spray the spray first before I'd have to shoot something. What you looking at? What you looking at? It's beautiful, ain't it? Hey, Cayson, how high do you think we are from the water? It's a pretty good little drop. Don't get too close to the edge. Ooh, excuse me.
10 meters.
10 meters? Get over here. Come on, punk. How about some 10 meters? Is that an accurate measurement? You think so? All right, well.
I know people can walk right now.
Yeah, we're not going down there right now.
How do they?
Yeah, they go down that little rock. Come on, son. Look at these old trees that fell down. Dude, they look so cool. And look at it with the moss growing on it. I like that tree and I cannot lie. Cayson. Oh, it's so beautiful. It is so beautiful. All right, Cayson, can you tell me some fun facts about where we're at, or Gatlinburg, or the park, or the stream? Come on.
It comes from a waterfall.
The streams come from waterfalls.
And the waterfalls, I don't know
on.
how they get water every time.
Well, the water comes up from the earth and goes up the mountain and out the waterfall, and then it falls back down the mountain. It turns into streams with all of those beautiful big rocks and boulders and fishes and stuff. And crawdads. Dude, I wonder how come we didn't see no crawdads when we was playing in that stream yesterday. Because that was I think that was a perfect stream for crawdads.
They like shallow water. This is more shallow.
For reals.
There's a little waterfall walking.
I hear it. It might be a little waterfall. I do hear it. Oh, wow. Look at that, y'all. The water is rolling. Do what? Oh my goodness, it is beautiful. I love that.
That is not a good spot to fall at.
No, because the water's flowing too fast. Come on, let's keep it moving. So crawdads don't like super fast flowing water then, right?
Yep.
Okay.
They will get pushed right back forward. But they can't just go away.
No. And it would be kind of hard for them to catch food if it's going really fast, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
They cannot live in that area. Only somewhere down here. Down here.
Holy moly, that's a long way down there. Can you imagine falling down there? Yeah, that would be bad news, bears. Let's walk.
Looks like
Son, come on. Today.
water in this land. But that is floating land.
It's floating. What if we saw a Bigfoot? What would you do? What would you do if we saw the Bigfoot? Oh my gosh. I would ask it if it was hungry. Because then he might just want some eggs and grits. Or maybe a banana or some orange juices and stuff. Maybe, right? I don't think Bigfoots eat people. I think maybe he tried a long time ago and he was like, oh wow, these things taste horrible. They're eating so much junk food and it's nasty. Oh, nasty Nancy.
Look at that tree.
Look at that tree. Oh, chipmunk. Oh, chipmunk. I don't know. Come here, look, a chipmunk just ran. Yes, it is. Oh, I wish I could have caught the chipmunk on camera. Rock sides. Cayson, if you want to see this today, you gotta walk, Bubba. Run. Don't get too far ahead. That lady said the bear was just over here. They just saw it. So it's gonna be down here. So what kind of bears do we have in Tennessee and in North Carolina?
Black bears.
Black bears.
Oh, tiger.
Yep. We got black bears. We have white-tailed deer where we're from in North Carolina. But here in Tennessee, they have elk and moose, right? And they're a lot bigger than our deers.
And they have deer too.
Yeah, they do have deer too. That they do. Thought these ladies said that bridge was right here. You can see it. These women is tricking us. Do what? I'm a little hesitant, honestly, in case the bear's down there at the creek. Oh, let's try it. The worst that happens is he eats you.
No!
Well, you run slower than me, so. Hey, don't just run out there. You better be watching both sides of the woods all around you, son. We're not looking for crawdads. We are definitely not getting in this water. This water is freezing cold. Look at the roots from the trees that hold the trees up. Isn't that wild? Yeah, for sure. It is absolutely beautiful. I love that stream waterfall over there. I mean, look at it, y'all. Do what? Well, that's why I'm trying to get to the bridge area, because then we can see it better. Let's see. Oh, this is absolutely beautiful. This looks like that part of the creek in that Jurassic Park movie where those people were in the water and those stegosauruses walked across. You know what I mean? Like they were like, roar, roar.
It might be.
That would be kind of crazy, wouldn't it?
It might be.
The water is absolutely crystal clear. And it is just beautiful. There's a little stream there.
This area is just past cool.
All right, let's keep it going. I want to get to that bridge. I knew he was gonna throw rocks. I knew he was gonna throw some rocks in there. Okay, so we gotta climb up the little cliff mountain.
That's right up where we are living.
Well,
My
I'm
foot.
not gonna have you fall into the water either. Up we go. Oh my gosh. That's a slick move you did there. What do you call that? Parkour?
Yes.
Looks like water ran through there, don't it? Possibly. Millions? Or just a little while? Cayson, better keep up with me. Look at that little stream. So there's two streams. There's a stream right here, and the other one's just right through those woods. That's crazy. It's like a double stream system. Is that a real word? Double stream system?
It has more than one stream.
Ah, okay.
It has more than one tiny waterfall for it.
Oh, it does?
Yes.
Okay.
This place has a lot. Like right there, right there, right there, right there, right there.
Cayson, I like that boulder. That is a nice boulder. Who said that before? Who said that?
Who said what?
Who? I like that boulder. That is a nice boulder. Who said that? Donkey and Shrek.
Donkey Wonky.
Come on. We are hiking on a nature trail.
Waterfalls down there.
Cayson's hiking on a nature trail in Gatlinburg, Tennessee.
Right there,
Look at those roots.
water used to flow better right there.
It probably does when it's really, really rainy and stuff.
Who did that? Look at that rock structure.
You see it out there? Somebody did a good job on that. That's pretty cool. They did a bunch of little ones everywhere. They spent some time doing that. Trying to find the right rocks and then stacking them.
They would not feel for that one would fall off.
Oh, really? Cayson, we're at the bridge. Cayson, we made it to the bridge. Hello, everybody.
Hope we see some otters.
I don't know if there's going to be otters in this little bit of water. I mean, there is a possibility that there's otters, yes. So this is the bridge where the lady saw that bear.
There's a fish down there. I have a keen eye. See him.
Look at that rock right there. That thing's huge. That's a big boulder right there. You like that? Why?
Like this. Like you see that small bump in the water? And like it goes down. That's a good place to go down. That is
Yeah, that doesn't look bad at all.
good.
I'm not trying to get off the trail though because of that bear. See, we're trying to stay with other people. Because if the bear comes, it'll get them and we'll be safe.
That's me.
That's called bait. Look at you. You're a little prehistoric dinosaur. You're a Caysonsaurus. Are you a Caysonsaurus?
Okay, fine.
Places we're passing, you do realize you gotta come back.
Well, hang on. Nature trail. The trail of the nature. Cause it's the nature trail. It's full of nature. Where did that come from? I want a pet parrot.
Remember yesterday
Yeah.
we saw this horse and it peeled?
You'll be walking. Yes, I did.
Yeah, be careful.
Cayson, will you stop going left and right, son? Stay on one side. Dang, you got me spinning around getting dizzy. Getting dizzy, homie. All right, now. Oh.
It's not that cold.
See, because your body warmed up and the temperature is starting to rise some.
Because we are now in the sunlight.
Well,
Look at that here. It's out of that place.
so that tree got cut down a long time ago, but the tree is growing back. It's the circle of life.
That's not a tree. That's not a tree. That's not a tree.
Yes, it is.
It's some type of tree.
It's a tree. That's how all trees look when they start. They start off like that, Bubba. Yeah. Yeah. You think trees just start off super big and tall? Well, the seeds do go into the ground, yes. Water is beautiful. You ain't pushing that over. Come on, let's stay with those people in case we see a bear. Yeah. See, survival is if you stay in groups of at least more than 6 and something bad happens, like a bear comes out the woods, the probability of you getting eaten is drastically reduced. And the chances of them getting eaten is drastically increased, which improves our survival ratings. Cayson, look. It's a baby creek. It's a baby creek. Are you using my thing I just taught you about stay with me?
I would never let that happen to you.
All right, if a bear came out, what would you do to keep me safe?
Throw a rock at it.
So throwing a rock's gonna work? So you think that a bear's gonna be afraid of some rocks that you throw? I wonder if this used to be an old cabin. Cayson, I think this used to be an old cabin right here. So it's an abandoned old cabin because those look like walls. And this is obviously a chimney from a fireplace.
That is
Does look like that, yes. Oh, look, there's another fireplace. So maybe these people lived here super, super, super long ago. Look at this old abandoned fireplace, y'all.
It has been a billion years since Titanic sunk.
Hasn't been a billion years since Titanic sunk, you silly goose. Well, that YouTube lied. Cayson, do not go close to that edge.
Now the screen is going that way.
Because that is a ridiculously long way down. And you will definitely break at least 17 bones. For sure. Definitely, for sure.
Maybe they will do the best one to sit on.
So what is this, a sitting fireplace?
It used to be an old fireplace, but now people can sit on it.
Well, I would say it's still an old fireplace for sure.
It still is, but people can sit on it.
Look at me, Bubba. Fireplace.
Oh, million.
All right, let's go. Cayson, if you want to survive, you better stay with me. Cayson, look, it looks like an old small pyramid. Wow. Or is it an old well? Is there a hole in the middle of it? Hey, look at me. Ancient pyramid. It's a pyramid for the chipmunks. Come on. I was just making that up because it sounded cool. See, look, that lady's got a dog. So, Cayson, don't run up to the dog. Don't run, son. Slow down, Cayson. Cayson. Do you want to keep going or do you want to turn back around?
Keep going.
Because this goes really far.
I want to go all the way to the end.
Oh, Jesus. We are going to be so late getting back then. Mommy, Granddaddy, and Mimi's going to be so mad at us that we're going to be late. No, we got to keep walking, son. Because somebody was saying something about up here, some type of stream, if I'm not mistaken, that has like a little bit bigger waterfall than we've seen on this trail so far. That's what I'm trying to find. Because I want to see a picture of it. Well, technically, I would be seeing a picture. I would be seeing the stream. I don't know what that means. You're such a goose, bro. For real. Come on, son, that's a drain. Yeah, that's a sanitary drain. That's like wastewater, poop water. Come on, son. Stay with me, punk. Cayson, get up here. Going through the trees. Morning. Come on, small child. Walk with me. Cayson, Price. Now we're gonna leave and go back if you can't keep up with me. You keep lagging behind when a mountain lion jumps out these woods and grabs you and a bear eats your face off. And then you turn into chipmunk poop. I don't want to hear you cry. Look at these old trees. I wonder how old they are. Well, so far I don't think there's a bear around us because that dog hasn't barked. Cayson. I mean, maybe. Are your legs burning yet? All right, good stuff. Come on. If you don't get up here, I can't hear you talking to me. What did you say?
If a tornado one day came by here and flung all of the stuff around and stuff.
Well, I'm not sure that Gatlinburg really gets tornadoes like that. You know what I mean? Like, I just don't think they do. That drain. Come on. See, water comes from all different kinds of angles. Axolotos?
Yeah.
How do you know? Oh, Lordy. I'm thirsty, I can tell you that. Sure wish I'd have brought that drink. Faux show. But yeah, so me and Cayson. Hey, get up here. Fart head. So we're in the Tennessee mountains at the Great Smoky Mountains Park. So far I'd have to say I rate this a solid 9 out of 10. Maybe 9.5. It might be a whole 10. Because it is absolutely peaceful. It is so relaxing. It's so nice. The scenery is beautiful. I mean, it is absolutely beautiful. So I recommend this trail. If you come to Gatlinburg, it's just outside of, I guess you would say, the main strip in Gatlinburg. Cayson, YouTube wants to know what you would rate this park out of 1 to 10. 1 being the worst, 10 being the best. What would you rate it? 1 million? Cayson, if you don't, you're gonna get 8. You can't rate it 1 million. You have to rate it 1 out of 10. What would you say? I gave it a 9, 9.5.
10 out of 10.
You give it a 10? Whoa, did you just say 10 out of 10?
Mm-hmm.
Well, y'all, you heard him. Cayson says it is a solid 10 out of 10. So, again, if y'all are ever in Gatlinburg, Just type in, national parks, and it's right here. I mean, it's right at the strip in Gatlinburg. It is absolutely beautiful. It's peaceful, it's quiet, beautiful scenery. I love it. Come on, son, we're slacking. We gotta catch up to them peoples. The sound of the stream is so peaceful. I forgot to charge the gimbal. The gimbal's dying, so the video might end up getting a little shaky and not as smooth, so I go ahead and apologize for that in advance. It's honestly cut off 2 times already. I don't know if y'all have noticed. When it swings around, it's like, wah, wah, wah. Cayson, what is that? No, what is it? A beautiful waterfall. Wow. That one is rolling, dude.
They were rolling back.
For reals. Come on, we gotta keep going. You gotta keep pushing. I don't think this was man-made, son. This is natural. There's no way they got tractors down here to get them huge boulders. No, Bubba, I think all of this is natural. Cayson, no. Let's go. Yeah, well, that's a trail into the woods where bears are. You go off of this trail and get bit, I'm not saving you, bro. I'm just gonna buy another kid. That's what I'm gonna do. Just buy one from eBay. On sale. Yeah, it is. Come on, Nicola. I've said it 7 times, bro. Trying to keep you safe with me, homie, and we've got to keep moving. Okay, Cayson did point out this is nothing like nature, but this is on the left. We got nature on the left, people on the right. Nature on the left, people on the right. Beautiful streams on the left. And Cayson's little head right behind. He's fast, y'all. One thing I will note is if you have to use the restroom, use that before you get on the trail, because there is nowhere, unless you go off the trail and do a little nature duke, duke it up in the woods, or find a nice tree to pee on, and you have toilet paper and all that. Other than that, I haven't seen a bathroom. Now, those people did say there's a visitor center or something up here. They don't know if it's open or not. So, I guess we will find out. You're a T-Rex? Okay. Cayson. All right, now we're about to leave and go home. You can look. It's called walk and look, dude.
I can't even stop by and look. Why?
Because, son, we have got to get through this trail and get going, or we're not going to be able to stop at the arcade. So that's on you. I don't care about the stupid arcade.
Let's get back to the house.
What? Why? Oh, God. Really? Ah. Stop running ahead of me.
Really slow.
Your mama is.
They're the same speed as me.
Oh yeah. Alright. YouTube, Cayson has decided to turn back around, so I guess this is about where. Hey Cayson, go right here.
Yeah.
Go right here. Alright, fine. We're gonna do this again. Just like you did yesterday. Alright. Look at the camera telling people what they need to do.